Friends, good morning. In our previous class, we have given two properties of triangle. Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangles are equal, and sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. By applying these two properties, we have done the sums of exercise 7.2. We have already done 1 and 2. Now today I will explain number 3. It is given that in number 3 it is given that ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitude BE and CF are drawn to equal side AC and AB. To show that these altitudes are equal, that is, we have to show that BE is equal to CF. Now, here it is given that solution. Now we are given that angle in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. So, we take two triangle ABE and ACF, where AB is equal to AC, it is given, and angle E is equal to angle F, because BE and CF are perpendicular, that is altitude, so this and this is equal to 90 degree. Both angles are 90 degree, and angle A is common to both triangle. A in triangle ABE, A angle is common, and ACF, A angle is common. So by angle side AB is and AC equal, angle A is common, angle E is equal to angle F. So by angle side, these two triangles are congruent. By CPCT, we can prove that BE is equal to CF. Number 4 sums you do by yourself, and by same process you do. Now I will explain number 5. It is given that number 5. It is given that triangle ABC and DBC both are isosceles triangles standing on same base BC. We are to prove that angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. Now, to show that angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. Now, this angle is equal to this angle we have to show. Now, it is given that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, AB is equal to AC. Therefore, angle ABC is congruent to equal to angle ACB. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Now in triangle BDC, BD is equal to DC. Therefore, angle DBC is equal to angle DCB. Now we add angle ABD plus angle DBC is equal to angle ACB plus angle DCB. Now we get angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. Can you understand? When we write angle ABC is equal to angle ACB, we write it, we mark it as 1, and angle DBC is equal to angle DCB. We mark this number 2. Now adding 1 and 2, this angle plus this angle is equal to this angle plus this angle. Equals are equal, added to equals, the wholes are equal. We get an axiom by this plus this is equal to this plus this. and this angle ABC plus DBC, we get ABD is equal to ACB plus DCB, we get angle ACD. We have proved the given condition. Next sum, number 6. Number 6, given that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle ABC, where AB is equal to AC and BA is produced to D such that AD is equal to AC. AD is equal to AB. It is given. Now we have to prove that DCB is equal to 90 degree or BCD is equal to 90 degree. Now solution. Now in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. So angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Therefore angle ABC is equal to ACB. We mark them as X and Y. Again, AB is equal to AC and given AB is equal to AC and AB is equal to AD. So AB is equal to AC, AB is equal to AD. Therefore we get from 1 and 2 AB is equal to AC. So ADC is also an isosceles triangle. So angle ADC is equal to angle ACD. This angle is equal to this angle. We mark them as Y and Y. Both are YY. Now in triangle BCD, angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Angle B is equal to, we write X. Angle C, X plus Y is equal to 180 degree. X plus Y plus Y is equal to 180 degree. So 2X plus 2Y is equal to 180 degree. Now we dividing both sides by 2, we get X plus Y is equal to 180 divided by 2, 90 degree. Therefore X plus Y is equal to C. BCD is equal to 90 degree. So we have proved the given condition. Now you try to understand, and your homework is 4, 7 and 8. It is also very easy sums. You do by yourselves. Thank you.